right, ladies and germs. It is what it is, man. You can't pass up a spectacular deal. This is a 1982 Yamaha Seca 550. It was a 2-year bike with this configuration with the tail section and the quarter fairing. And for $400, a complete, absolute complete motorcycle. I couldn't pass it up. We got it running on spray, so I know the motor runs. Needs a master cylinder, fork seals, the typical stuff. But Framingham, Massachusetts, at a bike shop down there. I can't remember the guy's name now. I'll think of it. But yeah, Peter K. It's all the names he brought up from the old racing days. So very cool. So here we go. So like I say, the motor needs to be detailed. All that clear coat will have to come off of there, and the fins will have to be cleaned up. But of course, master cylinder. Total of 6,700 miles is all that's on the motorcycle, and you can tell it's been stored inside. Gas tank is dirty inside, but that's all from old gas. And yeah, I'm very, very excited about this one. If this one comes out and runs as good as I hope it's going to, then I'll sell the Spectra and be happy with that. But yeah, very, very cool stuff. So that is what I've been up to. Thursday I go out to Western Mass and pick up the GPZ 550, and for $100, a complete motorcycle. And yeah, so that's it. So I'll be talking at you. Bye-bye. I'll go buy this as I do it.